equation of the curve passing through the origin, given that the slope of the tangent to the curve at any point x comma y is equal to the sum of the coordinates of the point. Now, how are we going to proceed? Let us write what is given first. So, the curve passes through the origin, that is 0, 0, and the equation is given to be dy by dx at x comma y is equal to x plus y. So, from here we arrive at dy by dx minus y is equal to x. That tells us p is equal to minus 1 and q is equal to x. So, now we shall proceed with the integrating factor, that is integrating factor is equal to e power integration of p dx, that is equal to e power integration of minus dx, so that is e power minus x. Now, the solution. What is the solution? Y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor into dx plus c. So, that is y into e power minus x is equal to integration of x into e power minus x dx plus c. Observing the right hand side, we find that it is in the product. So, we need to apply integration by parts. Therefore, using the mnemonic eyelet, we decide what is u and what is dv. So, u is equal to x and dv is equal to e power minus x dx. Therefore, on differentiating we get du is equal to dx, and integrating we get v is equal to e power minus x into minus 1. Therefore, we get integration of x into e power minus x dx to be equal to minus x e power minus x plus integration of e power minus x dx plus c1, yet another constant. What is integration of e power minus x? It is e power minus x divided by minus 1. So, that gives a minus e power minus x there. Yes, let us proceed. So, y into e power minus x is equal to minus x e power minus x minus of e power minus x plus c1. Therefore, the general solution is given by y into e power minus x is equal to minus x e power minus x minus e power x plus c. So, we can take out e power minus x with the negative sign outside. So, we are left with y into e power minus x is equal to minus of e power minus x into x plus 1 plus a generalized constant c. Now, this is the general solution. Now, how do we find the equation of that particular curve? We find the equation of that particular curve using the given information that the curve passes through the origin. So, we get substituting 0, 0, y into e power minus x is equal to minus of e power minus x into x plus 1 plus c passes through the origin. Thus, we arrive at 0 is equal to minus 1 into 0 plus 1 plus c, that is c is equal to 1. Therefore, the solution is y into e power minus x is equal to minus of e power minus x into x plus 1 plus 1. Dividing throughout by e power minus x, we get y is equal to minus of x plus 1 plus e power x. That is, y plus x plus 1 is equal to e power x. That is the required equation to the curve. Yes. So, x plus y plus 1 is equal to e power x is the equation to the curve.